talk about the original set of locks for a few minutes here. Now, these locks were not the most efficient locks, as they could take up to 3 hours to get to. This is because these are white oak doors, and they weigh up to 5 tons each. Now, that's not the issue here. The issue is they would have had to be manually operated, meaning you would have had to pull these doors shut and push them open day in and day out. Now, because they weigh up to 5 tons, you'd have to have up to 3 men on either side to operate. And if you didn't have enough men to operate all the doors all day, you'd have to go one set of locks at a time, all the way up and all the way down, which could even lengthen that 3-hour wait time. Now, the lock doors we see here are replica lock doors. They were only built about 10 years ago. What is not replicated is the stonework we see on the inside of these locks, which dates back all the way to the 1820s, and the handrails on the slope sections of this path. On those sloped handrails, we're going to notice that there are grooves dug into it. Those grooves are caused by ropes being tossed over those railings, and as those ropes would move back and forth on the railing, they would dig into it, creating the rope burn that we can still see today. Now we are going to get ready to head down towards our first factory. In order to do that, though, we're going to have to be on the left-hand side of the path. Now that's the side we're going to stay on for the majority of our outdoor portion here as we make our way down towards the cave. So we're going to make our way down to the first